What's going on, everybody? This is Lyndon with Getting It Daily, and this is my wife,
Ashley Dukes.
All right. So what we're doing tonight is we're making one of our favorite juices. So we used to go to a place called Just Juice all the time, and one of their juices, I used to get it like anytime I would finish a workout or be getting ready for a workout. I would just feel great after I drank it. So luckily, fortunate for us, Just Juice is grateful enough to share their recipes with us. So we've learned to make our own version at home, and we want to share it with you guys so you can attempt to make it in your own homes as well. All you need is a juicer and some cucumbers, turmeric, apples, lemons, celery, and beets, and also an orange. Right? That's what you were gonna say?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and make this now, and of course, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Bye.
Alright, and as you can see, we're putting in all of the ingredients for the smoothie above. So we just wanted to show you guys how we put them in. We put them in beets, cucumbers, and then we add the cucumbers again, the oranges, the limes, going forward from there. And that's how you make it.
And there you have it. It's called Mother's Earth Juice. So we drink this during the day. I enjoy it a lot, so I brought it home. I think my wife.
I love it. I like this one a lot. I drink it in the morning.
Yeah, it's like the
go.
greatest thing. It's like a meal. It's like a meal replacement if you really need it. If you guys are looking for more tips and tricks, we're actually going to include something where you can find our website where we share different things like detox, food information, what we're doing around the city. So let us know if you have any questions. If not, we will catch you next time as we help everybody find their own personal way to keep getting it daily.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Bye.